Hello, Toy Reviewing Army. Today we're doing a toy review on the evil Emperor Palpatine. It's Star Wars Lego, and here it shows what it looks like on the packet. His gold lightsaber, Emperor Palpatine. It shows you his normal face, and another face, and shows the angry face. And this is Luke Skywalker. I got a figure I think you should have had here as well, so you could have had two of them. I'm going to show you a couple of pages, but I'm not a comic book reviewer, I'm a toy reviewer. Here's some of the pages. Here's a poster. Looks very cool. The final drill. As you can probably. And the funny thing I think is that if a Palpatine gets his own like merch, as you can see, it's pretty funny, like a little comedy thing. Now starting with the review. This is the Emperor. He has a weird hoodie that he doesn't actually have, which I've never seen before. As we take it off, as you can see, it's sort of like this, which his hoodie is supposed to be different. He does have two different faces. He has a very angry face that goes more with the Emperor. With the camera focus. And he has more another face before the angry one. Bear with a minute while I put the thing back on. Right, so this looks very detailed. You've got like a hoodie on, I guess it's exclusive. I don't know if they ever do that type of hoodie again, because that's what it's supposed to look like. It looks different here. It has a cool lightsaber with a little gold bit, red lightsaber. He has his cape, looks very detailed, mostly in black costume, well, black Sith Lord suit. His real name is actually Darth Sidious, also Emperor Palpatine or Chancellor Palpatine. He is also the grandfather of Rey, which I think is very weird, because I don't know why anyone would want to have a kid with him. He's very detailed on the torso. I do like Emperor Palpatine, but I didn't really like the Rise of the Skywalker. It should have been called Death of the Skywalker, since the last of the Skywalkers die. And it's really detailed. And thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. And you can see his Sith eyes. Goodbye, toy review army.